To read my answer, I just add up all of my manipulatives. I'm going to use a place value chart to help organize my work. So let's count up all of my ones, or remember these are flats. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flats. Let's count up my tenths. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tenths. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths. So now when I'm thinking to write my number, I have 6 hundredths, 16 tenths. Remember, I can regroup this because I know that 10 tenths equals 1 whole. So I'm going to take out 10 from here, and that becomes 1 whole, leaving 6 tenths left over. So now I have a total of 9 wholes. So now my number is 9 and 66 hundredths.